Hello and welcome to Thrive in the Kitchen. I'm Kelly Batista, Director of the Brian D. Jellison Cancer Institute at Sarasota Memorial. For this video series, our team develops specialized recipes that focus on overall health and wellness for cancer patients undergoing treatment or in recovery. Soon we will hear from one of our expert registered dietitians and our executive chef, who will be introducing a new recipe in each video, providing nutritional information, ingredients, and step-by-step instructions. Now let's get cooking with Thrive in the Kitchen.
In anticipation of fall and fall recipes, most people think of pumpkin. These muffins are nutritious. They are not too sweet, low in added sugar, and do not have an overwhelming pumpkin flavor. By adding pumpkin to a recipe, you can eliminate some of the fat required. This also makes the recipe more moist. This recipe contains oats, whole wheat, pumpkin, and raisins, all which are high in fiber. Fiber is beneficial to the body and can decrease your risk of colon cancer. Buttermilk is milk left over from the production of butter. It is low in fat, high in vitamins and minerals such as calcium, and probiotics, which can help you maintain a healthy gut. Golden raisins contain resveratrol, polyphenols, which are natural antioxidant properties. These are of benefit to the body. Some of the benefits of pumpkin are, they are low in calories, about 45 calories per cup, and it's made of about 90% of water, which can help you stay hydrated and maintain healthy skin. Pumpkin is also high in carotenoids. Beta-carotene in the body converts to vitamin A. Adequate stores of vitamin A can help you prevent diseases. Pumpkin also contains lutein, which can help maintain eye health. It's high in vitamin C, which can boost your immunity, help you fight infections, and decrease the rate of cancer. This is a versatile recipe. You can play with it. You can add nuts, walnuts, or pecans. You can add extra cinnamon or even more pumpkin spice if you want to kick up the pumpkin flavor.